Okay, we'll be doing simplifying after we substitute for x, y, z, and w. So here we have y and w, so we're going to substitute the y. We'll put in -2, and for w, we're going to put in -3. So here, -3, and then for y, we'll put in -2 in parentheses, third power, minus, parenthesis again for the w, and that'll be a -3, and that'll be to the third power. So again, when using substitution, make sure you use parentheses first. Now we're going to expand. So it'll be a -3, -2, -2, -2, all in parentheses. Then we'll expand this one right here. There'll be a negative there, and then we'll expand to 3 parentheses of -3, -3, -3. All right, we're going to multiply this first group together. This will be a 6 times 4, which is 24. And there are a total of 4 negatives here. So 4 negatives means our product is going to be positive. So put a plus there. And so here, this will be a 3 times 3 times 3, which will be a 3 times 9, which is 27. And you'll see there's 4 negatives here as well. And that's also going to be positive. These are same signs, so we're going to add them. So we'll get 51 when we add. The bigger sign wins, which is the 27, so it'll be a positive 51. Okay, next. The z and the w, we're going to substitute a 3 and a -3. So this will be -2, parentheses. For the z, again, that's a 3, second power, minus 3 here. Then parentheses for the w, and that'll be a -3, third power. All right, once the substitution has been done with the parentheses, we're going to expand these. So -2, 3, 3, then the next -3, and we're going to expand this one, 3 parentheses. So -3, -3, -3. All right, now it's time for the multiplication. This is basically going to be 2 times 9, which is 18. This has a total of 1 negative, so the product will be negative. This one right here is basically going to be 6 times 9, which is 54. And we have 4 negatives here, so 4 negatives should give us a positive. Okay, now here we have different signs, so different signs are going to subtract. So when I subtract, this is going to be 2 plus 4, which is 6. And 2 from 5, which is 3. Yeah, 3. The bigger sign is going to win, so we'll have the positive of 36. Okay, now we need to know the y, x, and z for this one right here for our substitution. So the negative first, then parentheses. The y, we're going to use a -2. Then -3, another parentheses. For the x, a 2 squared, -2 here. And for z, we're going to put in a 3, second power. All right, now, if I expand this, this will not fit. So I'm going to expand these individually. So this one right here, -2, sorry. That's a negative right there for the 2, -2. And the expansion of this one is -3, 2, and 2. Expansion of this one is -2, 3, and 3. Okay, so just because I'm out of room to go right. So 2 times 2 is 4, and I have a total of 3 negatives here. Hard to see this one, but that's 3 negatives. 3 negatives will be negative. And here I have 6 times 2, which is 12. As 1 negative, so that'll be negative. And this will be basically 2 times 9, which is 18. And there's only 1 negative here, so that'll be negative. Okay, all these are same signs, so these will actually add all together. So if I add these two, I'll get 30 plus 4 more is 34. 34. And all these are same signs, so -34.